Now, I know some people have had some issues with the recent WordPress Core update of 6.9. There's been a few problems with Elementor, but other page builders and other solution and plugins too. In fact, there's been an issue with some emails going out as well due to SMTP. What I really want to point out is that whenever you have a WordPress core major update, even minor updates, Elementor updates, any plugin WordPress theme update out there, try to wait at least a week, because if there are any issues, usually plugin theme developers and even the WordPress team, they will push out a minor update or a fix to sort out a problem, especially if it starts to exploit or become a vulnerability. Now, I know some of you are going to say, but why should I have to wait a week? Why can't all of these developers sort their act out? Look, there are so many moving pieces and variables out there that it can become a little bit difficult. I could create something that I know works absolutely fine on my machine and my setup. And the minute I put it out there like a code snippet, it might interfere or conflict with something you've got on your website, and we have to work through it together, or you on your own with a bit of ChatGPT. But WordPress Core 6.9, it came out, and unfortunately, a lot of host providers update your system without really getting your prior permission to do so. And some of them let you know 24 hours before they do it, or they say, hey, your website is marked for an update. And then you got to go back into your host provider, and then you got to say, do not auto update for WordPress Core. Now, if you can do that, please do stop those auto updates. Or if you know that your website was going to be updated to WordPress 6.9 or any other version in the future, say on a Tuesday, make sure you got a backup the day before, so that if suddenly there is an issue, you can roll a backup and then make sure it doesn't auto update. Now, my big recommendation is using Blog Vault, because I love using that for my websites and my client websites, mainly because it takes regular backups. I can roll back at any point in time. And one of the really neat features with Blog Vault is how you can compare your homepage and other pages before and after an update took place. Look, if you've had a few problems with WordPress 6.9 or any other plugin theme update that tends to happen, especially if they're auto-enabled, I always like to disable those. Go and make sure you got your backups in place. Like I said, go and have a look at Blog Vault and go and revisit your host provider. Let them know, can we please stop this from happening unless I actually go in and action it? If they say, well, we can't, we like to do it within an amount of time, like within a week or a couple of days, you will normally get an email or some notification. Make sure you got a backup at that point in time. And if there is an issue, you roll back. There is no excuse for a lot of people that say, hey, I did not have daily backup set up. Why? There are so many amazing solutions out there. Get your finger out, sort it out. I'm Imran from Squadron. Stay safe. Stay in control of your websites, especially when it's a client's website. Like, subscribe, share, and follow. Join up for our YouTube channel for exclusive videos. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.